we've been working with Zero Latency to upgrade the audio in their VR games. For this demo, we've been using Fmod.io exclusively to source all the sounds, and so far, it sounds awesome. The sniper rifle sound we've been using as a placeholder doesn't suit my laser-style gun. Let me show you how quick it is to swap a new sound from Fmod.io into our game. To access Fmod.io, open the audio bin window of Studio. You can quickly search using keywords or browse through sound categories to find the sound you want. We have a large number of options for our gun sound, so we'll audition a few options before adding them to our cart. Once you've made your purchases, you can drag and drop directly from Fmod.io into Fmod Studio. I'll quickly switch out the sounds from this multi-sound module to my new assets from Fmod.io. Then build, and play in Unity to listen to my new gun sound. Fmod.io allows you to quickly and easily create great sounding audio for your games. Download Fmod Studio and sign up to Fmod.io to receive a free pack of sounds to get you started.